Hello guys, my name is Danny and this is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over this Porter Cable 21 degree framing nailer. Model number is FR350B as in boy. And so step one with these guys for you when you get it, if you haven't used it before, is going to be to put nails in it. So we are going to go over that. So starters, they slide into the bottom directly right here, and there's a little opening in the top where you're going to want to line up the heads of the nail. And so there's that for you. And you also want to make sure your angle's right and they're not flipped over, which ours is perfect right now. So that being said, you're going to drop those in just like that. Then you're going to slide this down, and it has a little tab here that's connected to this button, and it's going to hold those up under tension the whole time. You can always, if you need to take them out, you can push this button down and it's going to allow the nails to pass behind it and come out. Or if you let it go, it'll tension your nails up just like that for you. And other features on this guy, it does have a depth adjustment here that can spin to make it go deeper or not as deep. Also has a safety, so it has a little red button here that if you push it in, it'll be safe. Off, it'll be ready to fire. And then we also have a single mode and a bump mode. So that's single, the other way was bump. And it also has a thing here to hang it from your belt. And that being said, we're going to go ahead and connect some air to this guy, shoot some nails so you can actually see the tool in action. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you want to win this set, don't forget to subscribe. We will be giving this away to a subscriber at the end of February 2023. Being as small and new of a channel as we are, you probably have a pretty good chance of winning it if you subscribe. So please don't forget to subscribe. This is for a 18-volt brushless drill driver with a 2.0 battery, a bag, and a charger. Thanks again, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with shooting like a couple of them in single fire. So there you go, super deep. I kind of figured too wide bore. There we go, and that's less deep, good old depth adjustment. So that is a single fire. So for the single fire, like you just saw twice, you're going to depress first and then you're going to pull the trigger. And it's going to shoot one nail, just like that. If you push this guy in, which you'll have to push it in from the back side, and then once you have it pushed over to this side, you'll spin it, and you'll let it go, and it'll lock, and then that way it won't move on you. And now you're going to be in bump mode. Bump mode, you're just going to hold the trigger down, and you're going to bump. And every time you depress that front nose piece, it's going to shoot a nail. So here you go, guys. Thanks again for watching, you guys. If I didn't mention it already, we are giving away this entire kit at the end of February to everybody who subscribes, so please don't forget to do so. And thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thanks, guys.